Today I am going to be unboxing the Steam Deck. I finally have it, hopefully. So why do I hope that I have it? This Steam Deck in particular gets stolen a lot more than other packages because of the fact that it has the freaking name of the thing on the box. Yeah, I'm just gonna unbox it real quick. I've been waiting, what is it, like 5 months? About 5 months. So how do I open this? So I usually do unboxings like with just like the top-down camera without me talking, but I figured I might as well change it up a little bit and have me talking and stuff. Whoa. Oh yeah, this has like all the, like a bunch of information about where you play it, like on the toilet or on the subway or something. Now let's open it up and see if it's in here. Attention, plug in, power on. Your games are going places. Look at this, it's actually in there. Let's open it up real quick. Oh, there's tape. Hey, I did it. All right, so there is a power brick in here. Must be sourced from another brand because there is no Steam labeling whatsoever on any of this stuff. Information stuff at the bottom. As you can see, I can't really open this. Is there anything else in here though? I feel like there's something else in here. Nope, nothing else. And there's the case with the Steam Deck inside. That's cool, it comes in the case, unless this is just the case. So I got the base model because I just figured might as well get a micro SD card and whatever. Oh wow, they have like this little tag so you know that nobody's opened it, I guess. Hey, that was way easier. Open this up. And finally, after 5 months of waiting, I can finally open it up. Oh my god! Oh, these have like a little pull tab so you can lift it up super easily. Oh my god, this thing is huge but awesome. Wow, it is comfortable. Look at this. Holy crap. Is there anything else in here? I don't think so. I think that's really it. Wait, no, okay. There's this little compartment on the back of the thing that you can put like a charger or something in there. Kind of like this thing in there. But that's the case it comes in. That's pretty cool. Hopefully the microphone isn't too far away for me to talk to you guys. Okay, it's turning on. About as best I could do right here. I probably could plug in my MacBook with my MacBook charger, but I want to plug it in with the official one first, just in case it had some like problem with the other one. Turning on now, it has like a little logo. Oh yeah, I could just show you right here. Look at that. It's starting up. Oh, what? I don't know if you can. It has like little haptics and stuff for whenever you touch the touchpad. We're back over here because it has enough charge to be able to do stuff. It has a headphone jack and it has a USB-C on the top. Pretty cool. And it has like 4 buttons on the back, which I think will be really useful for some games that aren't completely controller supported. Okay, it's installing some sort of update. Yeah, this thing is really comfortable, even though it is really heavy, but it like, if I were to hold it like this, yeah, it's comfortable. I think it's way more comfortable than the Switch, because the Switch is, well, flat on the back. It's completely flat. Like, it's flat except for these little bumps right here. But with the Steam Deck, it has like grips and stuff like a regular controller would. I will do a comparison. That will be right now. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications for more tech videos. Bye!